Hello, hello, hello. Ladies, this is for you. If you love singing, any style, don't you want to keep your muscles in shape? Don't you want your voice to be able to soar? Oh, yeah. Are you trying to hit notes but can't? Or maybe your voice is just out of shape. You haven't been working your muscles, that's why. My group does new exercises with beats, drums, live, every week. These exercises warm up, strengthen, expand, and cool your muscles down at the end. And no one can hear if you make a boo-boo, which we all do, once in a while. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't have time. Lessons are recorded, so if you miss our live session, you can do the vocal exercises anytime. Lessons are too expensive. Private lessons, yeah, they're expensive, but my online group, no, it isn't. It could be just what you're looking for. Remember, the sessions are recorded for you to use all week long. It's like having your own private singing coach every day if you want. So, when you join our group today, you get 3 extra pre-recorded lessons. Yeah, so come join us. Just click the link and find out more. We hope you'll sign up. You know what? We love to share our fun. We have at our vocal exercising group membership. That's what it is. And it's called Singing for a Lifetime, because singing is for a lifetime. Always love what you do and do what you love. We're going to love on you. So come join us. Woo-hoo-hoo! We're going to love seeing you. Bye-bye-bye-bye-bye-bye.